Running out of room or tired of messy corners? These budget-friendly Amazon shelves and storage solutions are here to give every item its own place while keeping your home neat and functional. From clever organizers to space-saving racks, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Your desk could be hiding something big. By day, it's a sleek study table with drawers for all your essentials. But when it's time to rest, the frame slides out and transforms into a full bed in seconds. The top even shifts to the side, creating an L-shaped workstation when you need more room. Perfect for small spaces where every piece of furniture has to do double duty. Tired of digging around for the right spice while cooking? This pull-out organizer keeps everything visible and within reach. 2 sliding drawers glide out smoothly, holding your seasonings in neat rows instead of a messy pile. The clear fronts make it easy to spot what you need at a glance. Built from durable materials, it tucks neatly into your pantry and keeps your kitchen feeling organized and stress-free. Turn your sofa armrest into a mini table with this silicone couch cup holder and tray. Made from food-grade, dirt-resistant silicone, it grips firmly without slipping, keeping your drinks, remote, phone, or snacks safe and within reach. The oversized cup holder fits everything from mugs to tumblers, while side pockets add extra storage for remotes or magazines. Tired of digging through cabinets for that one spice? This clever organizer stores up to 24 bottles in neat pull-out drawers that drop down for easy access. Adjustable dividers let you fit both small and large containers without hassle. It comes with labels so you can find what you need instantly while cooking. No tools or setup required, just load your spices and enjoy a perfectly organized pantry. A rolling tower that keeps fruits, veggies, and pantry items within reach without cluttering your counters. This 4-tier metal storage rack comes fully assembled. Just roll it into place. The baskets rotate for easy access, detach for quick cleaning, and the carbon steel frame is strong enough to hold heavy groceries. With its sleek black finish and space-saving design, it's as stylish as it is practical, whether in the kitchen, living room, or pantry. By day, it's a sleek farmhouse-style cabinet. By night, it folds out into a full-sized bed, perfect for guests or small spaces. Built-in outlets and USB ports keep devices charged, while the large drawer stores bedding, clothes, or essentials. Smooth metal slides make access easy, and sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. A smart 2-in-1 design that brings comfort, storage, and convenience together in one space-saving piece. Drying clothes doesn't have to take over your space. This wall-mounted rack folds out when you need it and tucks flat against the wall when you don't. With sturdy aluminum rods, it holds a surprising amount of laundry without bending or wobbling. Perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. It's built to handle both indoor and outdoor use. Easy to install and even easier to use. Small space drying made simple. Why waste space under the bed when you can turn it into hidden storage? This modern lift-up bed frame uses a hydraulic system to reveal a roomy compartment for bedding, clothes, or anything you want out of sight. The sturdy build makes lifting effortless and safe. A tall wingback headboard adds elegance, giving your room a sleek centerpiece. No box spring needed, just a smart, stylish way to maximize bedroom space. Small spaces need smart storage, and this slim cabinet does the job perfectly. With 4 tiers and adjustable shelves, you can fit everything from toiletries to cleaning supplies without wasting space. The magnetic doors keep items dust-free and protected, while the clear panels let you see what's inside at a glance. Rolling wheels make it easy to move around when needed. At first glance, it looks like a simple cabinet, but unfold it, and you've got a full desk with shelves built right in. Perfect for working, studying, or crafting. It gives you a proper workspace without taking over your room. 3 hidden shelves hold books, documents, or supplies, so everything stays organized. With wheels for easy movement and a quick fold-up design, it's a space saver that works as hard as you do. Tiny kitchen? No problem. This clever space saver set gives you a compact table with stools that tuck neatly underneath when not in use. The drop leaf design means you can expand the surface for meals or fold it down to save room. Built-in drawers give you a spot to stash utensils or napkins. With rolling casters, you can move it anywhere with ease, perfect for apartments or small dining areas. Your kitchen cabinet can do more than just hide clutter. This pull-out organizer slides out smoothly to reveal shelves and utensil bins right at your fingertips. You can keep spatulas, whisks, and even spices neatly arranged instead of buried in a drawer. The bins are removable for easy cleaning, and the soft close glide makes it feel extra premium. It's a simple upgrade that makes your kitchen more efficient every single day. Working from home doesn't have to mean giving up space. This foldable desk opens up into a roomy workstation and tucks away neatly when you're done. A clever two-way drawer gives you storage that's always within reach, and the sturdy build makes it feel solid no matter where you set it up. Lightweight yet durable, you can move it easily from room to room. Simple, functional, and perfect for small spaces. Need a seat but short on space? This wall-mounted folding chair is there when you need it and disappears when you don't. Just fold it down in your entryway to tie shoes, or set it up as a quick extra seat anywhere. Built from sturdy materials, it's strong, stable, and designed to last. Quiet to use and easy to fold, it's a smart way to save space without sacrificing comfort. Why settle for just a mirror when you can have an entire organizer hidden inside? This full-length swivel cabinet doubles as a vanity with touchscreen lighting and folds out to reveal shelves, hooks, and bins for all your jewelry. It rotates 360 degrees, so you can check every angle of your outfit with ease. A foldable makeup shelf adds extra convenience, while velvet-lined compartments keep accessories safe. One piece of furniture, 4 different uses. This folding Ottoman quickly transforms into a chair, lounger, sofa, or even a single bed. The adjustable backrest lets you pick the perfect angle for relaxing, reading, or napping. With a sturdy steel frame and soft linen finish, it's built for comfort and durability. Ideal for apartments, offices, or guest rooms, it's a modern space saver that adapts to your needs. Small spaces don't have to limit big ideas. This multifunctional coffee table hides 4 stools inside and transforms to fit your needs. Use it as a classic low table, lift it up for working or snacking, or extend it into a full dining setup. Smooth hydraulic lifts make height changes effortless, while built-in storage keeps clutter tucked away. It's a smart, space-saving solution that adapts to your lifestyle. Extra guests coming over? No problem. This set of stackable wooden stools gives you 4 sturdy seats that also double as side tables, footrests, or even plant stands. When you're done, they stack neatly to save space, keeping your room clutter-free. Crafted from solid wood with anti-slip pads, they're built to last while protecting your floors. No assembly needed, just unstack and start using right away. Who says a coffee table can only hold mugs and magazines? This convertible design lifts and expands into a full dining table or even a desk when you need extra workspace. Hidden compartments and drawers keep clutter out of sight, while an open shelf lets you display your favorite pieces. The sturdy lift top moves smoothly without noise and stays stable while in use. It's stylish, practical, and perfect for small living spaces. Your desk doesn't always need to take up space. Sometimes it can disappear into the wall. This fold-out workstation opens into a sturdy writing desk with shelves, then folds back up into a sleek cabinet when you're done. A built-in blackboard lets you jot down reminders, lists, or quick notes. Side shelves hold books, decor, or office supplies within reach. It's compact, clever, and perfect for maximizing small rooms. That empty space behind your door? It's actually a hidden storage goldmine. This slim cabinet mounts right onto the hinges, opening and closing smoothly with your door. Inside, adjustable shelves and rods let you store toiletries, spices, medicine, or even craft supplies without the clutter. It holds as much as 5 standard cabinets while keeping everything neatly concealed. A smart way to gain storage without sacrificing style or space. Running out of space but still need a proper table? This wall-mounted foldable desk is a genius solution for small rooms. Fold it down when you need a dining spot, study desk, or work surface, and fold it right back up when you're done. Built from durable wood with a smooth finish, it's tough, waterproof, and scratch-resistant. Perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, or even home offices where every inch counts. Say goodbye to piles of shoes at the door. This stackable organizer keeps sneakers, heels, and everyday pairs neatly stored behind clear magnetic doors. The foldable design sets up in minutes and can be rearranged into different shapes to fit your space. Each tier is sturdy enough to handle plenty of weight, and the clear fronts make it easy to grab what you need. A smart way to keep entryways and closets clutter-free.